Mama! Mama! God has answered our prayers. I just received the biggest news.
Easy, my daughter. Tell me what wonderful news has made you this happy.
Mama, the university accepted me. I'll be traveling to London to study. My dream has finally become real.
London? Oh, my daughter. God has truly answered our prayers. Your father always believed you would achieve something great.
Thank you, Mama. I promise hard. I will make you proud and never forget where I came from.
Be kind to everyone, stay focused on your studies, and remember that God is always with you wherever you go.
I will, Mama. I'll make you proud, call you often, and come back home with my degree.
Attention passengers, flight BA082 to London is now boarding. This is really happening. Thank you, God, for making this dream possible.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Would you like some to drink before we begin our descent into London?
Yes, thank you. I still can't believe my dream is finally coming true.
Finally, I'm in London. Everything looks so different, but this is exactly where my journey begins. I can't wait to make my family proud.
Welcome to the university, Ada. Your room is on the 3rd floor. Here's your key card. We hope you'll enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. Everyone has been so welcoming to begin this new chapter. Mama, I've arrived safely and settled into my room. The campus is beautiful.
Thank God, my daughter. I'm so happy. Remember that we're always praying for you.
Here's a question for the class. Why is it important for young people to participate in politics?
Because young people shape the future, Wendy, and help build a stronger democracy for everyone.
That was an excellent answer. I don't think we've met before.
Thank you, sir. My name is Ada. I'm from Nigeria.
Well, Ada, welcome to London.
This video you just watched right now was created by free AI tool. I did not subscribe to any AI tool and I did not buy any credit. And I was able to create that amazing video you just watched right now. So in a minute, I'm going to show you guys how you can also achieve this type of result, how you can create videos like this without subscribing to any AI tool, without buying any credit. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So for me to be able to create that type of video you just watched a moment ago, the first thing I did was to head over to my notepad. Now on my notepad, I write my video idea. And this is how my video idea is. I said, a 23-year Nigerian girl runs to meet her mother who is sitting old kitchen where she was cooking, and the girl said, Mama, God has finally answered our prayers. I'm traveling to London to study. And the mother said, congratulations, my daughter. In fact, let me just not read all these things. This is how my story is. I write my story by myself, how I want everything. I write it. And after I write it, the next thing I do was to go to ChatGPT. Now, coming to ChatGPT, let me open ChatGPT. Now, this is ChatGPT. And coming to ChatGPT, the next thing I do is to copy my prompt. I have my own master prompt. So let me copy my master prompt. Now, this is my master prompt here. So if you need this master prompt, you can go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You are going to get the master prompt. Now, after copying the master prompt, I'll come back to ChatGPT and I'll paste the master prompt here. This master prompt is the one that will write everything for me. Then I'll go back to my notepad and I will copy my idea, my video idea, my script. I'll copy everything. Let me select all and I will copy. And after I copy, I'll go back to ChatGPT. Remember, I've paste my prompt, the master prompt. I've pasted the master prompt. And after that, you are going to see on the master prompt, you are going to see where it says my story idea. I'll just need to clean this and replace it with my video idea. So that is what you need to also do. Just replace it with your video idea. As you can see, this is my video idea. It started from my story idea here and ends up here. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on generate. And when you click on generate, with the master prompt, it's going to generate everything for you, episode by episode, and you are going to get your video. So as you can see, it says character Bible. So this is the character here, Ada. This is the Ada. Now, as you can see, this is Mama Grace, and this is Daniel, as you can see. So, and this is the location, village kitchen, and everything you are seeing here. Now, as you can see, you can also see the episode planning. This is the episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4. Everything is being labeled here. So this is how everything is going to be. So if you have this master prompt, this is how it's going to be. It's going to write it for you. But if you don't have this master prompt I use, you will not get it like this. So you need the master prompt so that you are going to get your script like this. Now, after getting your script like this, you are going to see everything as you can see, episode by episode, scene by scene. You are going to get everything like this. So after you get everything like this, the first thing you are going to do is to copy your first character here. As you can see, your first character, just come back to the first character here that says Ada. Just copy Ada where it says character lock reference. Just copy it like this. Copy it. Now, when you copy it, the next thing you're going to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store and you go and download Flow AI. I've talked about this AI too before, so just download this AI. And after you download this AI, you click on it, you register, and you click on New Project. Now, when you click on New Project, it's going to open like this. So when it open, all you just need to do, just paste the prompt to just copy right now to generate your first image. That is, you are generating reference image of Ada. So let's wait for it to open. Now when it's open like this, you put it on image, as you can see image here, and you paste your prompt here. So you paste your prompt. After you paste your prompt, you click on generate. And when you click on generate, it's going to start generating image of Ada. So let's come back again. Let's come back to Mama Grace. Let's copy our own reference image also. Let's copy it. And after we copy it, we'll go back to the AI tool. Sorry, this one stopped because I minimized. So let's regenerating it again. Now let's copy the second one and paste the second one for the Mama Grace. Now we are generating two images. Let's allow these images to generate. And I'm going to show you, because if I say I should minimize, the image will stop generating. So let's allow the image to generate in a minute. Now it has successfully generated image of Ada, as you can see, and Mama Grace, that is our mother. So we are going to go back to ChatGPT again. The next thing, we are going to copy the image of Daniel. As you can see Daniel here, we are going to copy the lock reference image. Why we are getting all these images like this, everything like this, it is because of the prompt we use. If you use this prompt, you are going to get everything like this. All you just need to do, just paste your story and you are going to get everything you want from your story. If you use the master prompt, you are going to get it the way it is like this. The way your story follow, that is how it's going to generate it for you. Depends on your story, that is how you are going to get your result like this. So let's wait for the next image. Now the next image has been generated. As you can see, the next image has been generated, which is the Daniel. This is the Daniel here. Now we are going back to ChatGPT. Now coming back to ChatGPT, we don't need to generate the location. We don't need to generate the location. Just come back to, as you can see, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. Just come back to where you write episode 1. As you can see, episode 1. That is dream come true. This is your episode 1. Then the next thing you are going to see where you say character present. That means on the first scene we are generating here, you are going to see where you say character present. That is, the character present is Ada and Mama. So we are going to copy image prompt like this. Image prompt. And after we copy the image prompt, we are going back to the AI tool. Now we click on this plus icon and we upload the image of Ada. We click on plus icon again. We tap on the image of the mother to serve as our reference image to generate our first image. And we are going to click on paste here. And we paste the prompt to just copy right now. And we click on generate. And after we click on generate, it's going to generate image of Mama Ada and Ada together to get our reference image we are going to use to generate our first scene. And with this method, this is how you are going to generate your videos with consistency, character, and perfect lens syncing, everything. The master prompt I gave you will do everything for you. So you need this master prompt. And to get access to the master prompt, I'm going to leave down the link in the comment section or the description of this video. It's just 3,000 naira and you are going to get the master prompt. Now, as you can see, this is the image. Finally, this is the image, as you can see. Now, you can turn this image direct to video. And this is how we are going to do it. Now, we just come back here and you are going to see where you say image to video prompt. Now, we just tap on it like this. We copy this image to video prompt with the dialogue, everything. We copy it. Now, after we copy it, we just come back here like this and we click on animate, as you can see, animate. And after we click on animate, we are going to paste it here like this. Now, after we paste it, you just check your dialogue. Make sure you check your dialogue. If there is anything you want to change, make sure you check it very well. And after you check it and you see that everything is being intact, I want to remove this comma. Everything is being intact the way you want. As you can see, Ada said, the dialogue said, Ada said, Mama, God has finally answered our prayer. And the mother will respond, what happened, my daughter? And that is the first dialogue. Then we click on animate here, and we are going to be using Omni Flash. You can use any AI tool. You can just decided to use VO 3.1, every one you choose here, but I prefer Omni Flash, and I'm going to put it in 8 seconds or 10 seconds. So far the dialogue is very short, I'm going to put it in 8 seconds. And the next thing, you click on generate, and when you click on generate, it will start animating your video. And this is the same method you are going to use to generate all your videos scene by scene, all your video scene by scene. This is the same method you are going to use. All you just need to do, just start uploading the images, and you turn them to video clip by clip, and after that you are going to take it to CapCut, where you are going to add everything together. But the most important thing you need to get your video cinematic and realistic, just like the video you watch at the beginning of this video, is the master prompt. Because with the master prompt, that is where you are going to get your scene, your dialogue, your image to video, your image prompt, everything, and episode by episode, how it's going to follow each other. That is how you are going to get it. So if you don't get the master prompt, you are not going to get it. Now, this is our first video. It has generated. Now, let's play the video so that you guys are going to see it.
Mama, God has finally answered our prayers. What happened, my daughter?
Now, as you can see, where you say, what happened, my daughter?
Mama!
Now, the first scene has been generated. You can click here and you click on download, and it's going to be downloaded to your phone. Now, just go back to ChatGPT again. Now, you come back to scene 2. It's still Mama Ada and Ada. As you can see, image prompt, it says, same lock character described in the rustic kitchen. Ada smile while holding on admission letter. So all you just need to do, you can decide to regenerate the image, or you can use the previous image. So I will just copy this thing like this from the image generation prompt. I'll copy it down here like this, and after I copy it, I'll go back to the AI tool. Now the next thing, I'll just click on this image, the image I used before. I'll just tap on it, and I don't want to regenerate any image because I know how to do it very well. So I'll just click on it again. I'll use 8 seconds again. I'll click on generate, and it will generate the second scene for me. Now, as you can see, it's generating the second scene. Now, this is how you are going to be doing it scene by scene. And after you generate everything scene by scene, you are going to take it to CapCut and you add everything. Now, when you are generating it and it says you are out of credit because you'll be giving some credit to use this AI tool to generate video. When they say you are out of credit, what you need to do is just to register a new account with a new Gmail account, and you continue generating your scene. Yes, you continue generating your scene. You just get a new Gmail account and you continue generating your scene, and it will generate everything for you. So let's allow this one to also generate. Now it has generated the second scene. Let's play it, and you guys are going to see how it will look like now.
I have been accepted to study in London. Praise God. This is wonderful news. I have been accepted to study in London. Praise God. This is wonderful news.
See how
I have been accepted to study in London.
Now you see how the video look. So now all you just need to do, just download it, and after you download it, you download the first one.
Mama,
you download
God has
everything,
finally
and after you download it, you are going to add it together on CapCut. Let me show you how you are going to do that. Adding it together on CapCut, and it will make your story align with each other. So that is how you are going to do it. So, but if you try to generate it and you do not generate, or you don't know how to do it professionally, or you are finding it difficult to do, you can message me. All you just need to do, just check my bio, or you can check the comment section of this video. Just check my bio. If you are watching from Facebook, check my bio. You are going to see my number, and you can chat me, and I'm going to teach you one-on-one class how you can do it by yourself. Or if you are watching from YouTube, you can check the description of this video. You are going to see my number, or description of my channel, you are going to see my number. You can contact me, and I'm going to teach you one-on-one class on how you can learn it. But just note, before you come to my DM, it is not free. My teaching is not free. So this is how you are going to create your AI story videos for free, and with consistency characters. Now, you guys have seen everything step by step, how we created the video, how we achieved that result. So if you are interested on getting the master prompt, all you just need to do, just go to the comment section of this video or description of this video. You are going to see a link. When you click on the link, it will take you to where you get the master prompt. So with this master prompt, you can be creating amazing videos like this for free using the method I just show you guys right now. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.